Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making an apple tea cake from Lane and Gray Fare. It uses applesauce in place of eggs for a soft and moist texture and is full of cinnamon flavor. It's described as a perfect gluten-free treat for breakfast, lunch, dessert, and of course, tea time. So let's jump in and see how it turns out. Okay, so this apple tea cake turned out beautifully. I'd say it's a medium difficulty level because there are several steps involved, plus arranging the apples on top. But as you can see, it's definitely worth the effort. There are a few things to note before I get to the taste test. When you prep the springform pan, be sure to very lightly grease the inside wall as well as the bottom. That, along with the parchment paper, will ensure that the cake doesn't stick and will release properly. Next, I used a mesh strainer to sprinkle the cinnamon sugar on top. That did not work very well because the sugar went through too fast and didn't allow for even coverage. Next time, I'll just use a spoon because that will allow for more control over how it spreads. I baked the cake for 50 minutes and it was ready to go. Now let's move on to the taste test. For the first bite, I wanted to try just the cake itself. It was moist and tender because of the applesauce, and you could really taste the cinnamon. It was also just sweet enough with the 1 cup of total sugar. For the next bite, I tried a piece of apple. Its texture was spot on by being soft but not mushy. It was so good I had to have another bite, this time with both the cake and apple together. It was incredibly delicious. It was perfectly spiced with the cinnamon and was definitely not dry. There's not a whole lot more to say other than everything about this apple tea cake just works. It's one of those rare desserts that tastes as good as it looks. The warm combination of apples and cinnamon will remind you of fall no matter the season, and it really is a tasty treat any time of day. I give it 1,000 stars and I highly recommend making this superb cake. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.